Today's topic is casualty assessment by using Naranjo scale. Reliability and usefulness of various adverse drug reaction casualty assessment scales have not been fully explored. There is no universally accepted method for casualty grading of ADRs. In the present study, we assessed agreement between the two widely used casualty assessment scales, that is the World Health Organization Upasala Monitoring Center, that is WHO UMC criteria, and the Naranjo algorithm. The material and method used in this is the same: observed, assessed all ADRs, that is N is equal to 913, collected between January 2010 and December 2012 using the WHO UMC, that is World Health Organization Upasala Monitoring Center criteria and Narajo algorithm at the Tertiary Care Hospital in India. We found that the most frequently assigned casualty category was possible with the both the scales. The study showed that there is a poor agreement between the WHO UMC criteria and Naranjo algorithm, with the former being less time consuming. The agreement between scales, casualty assessment, Naranjo algorithm, WHO UMC criteria are main keywords in this. An adverse drug reaction is any noxious and unintended response to a drug that occurs at dose normally used in man for prophylaxis, diagnosis, therapy, or modification of a physiological function. ADRs are considered as one among the leading causes of morbidity and mortality. Casualty assessment in the evaluation of the likelihood that a particular treatment is the cause of an observed adverse event. It assesses the relationship between a drug treatment and the occurrence of an adverse event. It is an important component of pharmacovigilance, contributing to better evaluation of the risk benefit profits of medicines, and is an essential part of evaluating ADR report in early warning systems and for regulatory purposes. Casualty assessment of ADRs may be undertaken by clinicals, academics, pharmaceutical industry, and regulatory, and in different settings, including clinical trials. At an individual level, healthcare providers assesses casualty informally when dealing with ADRs in patient to make a decision regarding therapy. Regulatory authorities assess spontaneous ADR report, where casualty assessment can help in signal detection and aid in risk benefit decisions regarding medicines. Algorithms being structured systems specially designed for the identification of an ADR should therapeutically make a more objective decision on casualty. The objective casual assessments are based on four basic principles: temporal engagement, de-challenge and outcome, re-challenge and outcome, and confounding factors. A number of algorithms or decision aids have been published, including the Jones algorithm, the Norges algorithm, the Naranjo algorithm, the Yale algorithm, the Karch algorithm, the Bagot algorithm, the Australian ADR Advisory Committee, and the World Health Organization Upasala Monitoring Center. Each of these algorithms has similarities and differences. WHO UMC system has been developed in consultation with the National Center, participated in the program for international drug monitoring, and is meant as a practical tool for a assessment of case reports. It is basically a combined assessment taking into account the clinical pharmacological aspects of the case history and the quality of the documentation of the observation.